What's up, everyone? We are on the Motch and Eichele Technical Center floor gearing up for our Pigskin kickoff on August 6th and 7th. Behind me is the Agile Flex system that we have interfaced with our Mazak QT-EZ MSY. The first thing I want to point out here on the Agile system, and you guys are going to see this when you're here for our event, is the control. We're going to have an applications person here demoing this control for you, but it's really a key point to understand that the Agile system is built around user friendliness for machinists. So a lot of the icons on here are going to look very familiar to machinists. Drag and drop questions, really easy to program. It takes all the confusion out of robotic programming. All right, let's go inside so we can see a little bit more about the Flex system. We do have the fencing because we are using a FANUC industrial robot. Like I said before, this is the Flex 35, so it does have the drawer system that is with it. We have 4 drawers here that we are showing, and we're going to be loading and unloading parts into our QT-EZ MSY. On the Mazak, this machine has milling, y-axis, and a second spindle. The demos that we're going to be showing is going to be showing the capabilities of all those features, and then again, automatically unloading the parts into the drawer system. So if you are someone who is interested in machine tending, the Agile system paired with a Mazak lathe is an awesome way to get started. It's an out-of-the-box solution. Again, easy to program and ready to start production on your floor. Don't forget to register for the Pigskin kickoff today so you can see this demo in action, and we'll see you soon.